What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bad Decisions by Benny Blanco, Snoop Dogg, and BTS. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll leg drop your face off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one chord progression that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Chords that we need are going to be F major. You can play it as the bar chord. I'm playing it as like the F major 7 version, which I'm grabbing the low E with my thumb on the 1st fret, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, and my index finger is on the 1st fret of the B. And what's happening here is I'm using my thumb to pick the low E, I'm using my index to pick D, middle finger is picking G, ring finger is picking B. Then next up is A minor. Put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G, index finger on the 1st fret of the B. And what we're doing here is the same exact thing with the index, middle, and ring, picking D, G, and B, but now your thumb is picking the low A. So A, D, G, B. Next up we have a D minor. Put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, index finger on the 1st fret of the high E. And here we're using our thumb to pick the D, and our index, middle, and ring are picking G, B, E now. So D, G, B, E. Finally, a C major, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And here, your index, middle, and ring are going to be picking the same strings, the G, B, and E, and your thumb is now picking the A string again. Once you get the chords down, you just need your picking pattern. So we're going to be picking them, you're just picking them in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, and stopping. And you're doing that for every single chord. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, you're muting after each one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.